We deep as hell in the swamp. Back to back in the forest.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. This video is for this wig that I am rocking right now, and this wig is brought to you by So Good Shop. Thank you so much, So Good Shop, for sponsoring this video. Let's jump right into this wig. So if you guys know anything about wigs in the past couple months, you know this wig has been super popping. I don't even need to say the name. Y'all already know the name. What wig is this, y'all? This is Bobbi Boss LYNA. And this is what Bobbi Boss LYNA looks like on the stock card. Like dark root 27 type of color. I decided to go with a natural color because I really wanted to go for a natural look this time for this one, because I really actually was considering cutting my hair into a bob like this, because I think it's really pretty and it would just, you know, be something fresh and different for me. I did want to get some pixie braids like this. I live in the DC area and pixie braids were really popular here like years and years ago. But my own hair is way longer than this. So here's one of my own braids from my own hair. And this is it braided. So I definitely was glad to see when this wig came out. I was like, ooh, I might need to try this one. And then I kind of forgot about it and just like kept it pushing. And I was just like, man, let me try this wig. So what I did with this wig, I opted not to do the baby hairs this time. So what I did was literally, when I put this wig on and just pulled a few of the front strands of hair out of my braids, flat ironed it, and then went ahead and put some foundation in my part. The foundation I used was the Maybelline Fit Me in color coconut, and I placed that into my part. And then I went ahead and you know, just combed my own hairs into this wig. And this wig is a yaki texture, and it's not no like light yaki texture, sis. This is real yaki texture, and it's fire because I didn't have to go crazy, you know, flat ironing my own little baby hairs. It just, you know, one little once over with the flat iron, and look how it just blends. Let me turn around so you can really catch this wig from all sides.
We deep as hell in the swamp.
So I am 5'7", 5'7.5", and this is where this wig hits me. I'm really loving where it's hitting me. I feel like it's just a bomb wig. This unit is so easy to just throw on and go. I'm in love with the fact that it's yaki. I just love everything about this unit. I really want Bobbi Boss to come out with a pixie cut braided unit like this, because I really want some pixie braids. Or maybe somebody can tell me, what can I do without cutting my hair but getting some short pixie braids like this? Like, I just love it. Or maybe there's a wig you guys know of already that's out there that's a cute pixie cut like this, but some box braids. But anyway, you guys, I hope you like this video. Just short, sweet, to the point. If you guys do want the LYNA wig, definitely head over to So Good Shop. They have millions of colors. They have so many options over there of different Bobbi Boss units and other companies as well. So Good Shop shipping is bomb. I've been working with them almost for a year now, and I love them. They have great customer service, and I've never had a problem with them. So definitely check them out, and if you do, let them know JessTheDragoness sent you. All right, you guys, stay tuned for the slow-mos, because you already know they so lit.
We deep as hell in the swamp.